How do you tell it's getting close to spring? Well, we're out there trying to fire up the greenhouses, and this is a vent actuator, and it failed. So let's open it up, see what's inside, and I'm certain I can't fix it. Let's just see what's inside one of these things and why it broke. Okay, I called this a vent actuator, but they call it a shutter motor. It can be used for a variety of things. Basically, you apply power to it and this arm moves. As you can tell, something inside is not good. That should not be doing that. So basically, it's just a small motor and a bunch of gears in there. So let's get it open and see what's inside. I think I got 11 of these. One, two. No, I got more than that. I got 10 on that side. 10 plus 15. I think I got 16 of these guys in operation over at the greenhouses. It's not something I've mentioned before on the channel, but we're going to be mentioning it a little bit more here in the future. Wife and I own 35 acres here at our northern location, and we're at about 5,400 feet. A few years back, they allowed the use of marijuana to be grown here. Well, our county does not allow marijuana to be grown, except for personal use. But we won't get into that whole thing now. As for use of marijuana, I don't care. Beer, wine, hard liquor. If you consume any of those, I'll even throw cigarettes in. If you even throw cigarettes in, if you consume any of those, you should not have a problem with marijuana. But we didn't grow marijuana. We didn't grow anything, actually. We leased the land out to a company that grew industrial hemp for CBD. Now, CBD is used in a variety of things, and for 7 years they rented our facility, and well, they went bankrupt last year and left wife and I holding the bag. Well, holding the bag, we wound up owning 11 greenhouses. Now you may say, well, that's great. Well, until you have to maintain them, then it's a lot of work. So let's see if we can get this guy open. I've been inside one of these once before. I don't know if this has to come out. And I don't know if I have to take that. This is just a limiter. And there's different positions you can put it in. I'm fairly certain on that. Don't quote me on that. Now, does this have to come out before I get that other top off? I'm not sure. Let me get a smacking tool and a prying tool, and we'll see if we can get this separated here. I went for the dead blow option because I'm just not sure. Yep, it came apart. And there we go. So, ground wire. And it's just, let me get this guy off so we can really dig in here. Now, all it is a motor, and it runs these gears, and you basically run it till you get to rotor lock. Rotor lock means that this little motor here is not going to turn anymore. Before I get too far, I'm going to take a picture of this. So if I have to put it back together, I'll be able to. And there we go. I now have a digital memory. So the question is, this is turning, so there must be a gear underneath here that's just toasted. Let me not get too carried away here. This is This went like this, went like that. That guy goes there, this guy goes over here. Let's see that gear. That gear is still good. And you get enough of these broken that maybe if you take your time, you can, at some point, that's gonna flip over like that. At some point, you might be able to take one or two of them, or two or three, and make a good one out of it. So that guy goes like this. This guy goes like that, and there's the problem. It's a broken gear right there. So we found the problem. Can I fix that? No, but I think I'll have to look at it. Some of these gears may be the same, that I can, if I get another one that's bad, let's say the motor went out on another one, then I could put this guy back together and get one of them going. None of this stuff is cheap, you know. But this gear looks good. It's that broken gear. So not a big deal, not a big video, but we figured out what the problem is. Let me see if I can get you a nice close-up of that. There you go. There's the broken gear. So there it is. Can't fix it, but we know what the problem is. And like I said, if we get another one of these, let's say the motor on it's bad, I could take the motor out, or I could take the gear out of that, put it in here, and we're good to go. Okay, well, not much of a video, but thanks for watching.